Did you know there's something in your own kitchen that could help reverse age-related vision loss starting tonight? For years, people over 50 have shelled out billions for new glasses, supplements, and eye surgeries. Yet blurry nights and dry, gritty eyes often feel like an unavoidable fate. But the truth is, every evening, most seniors are missing out on simple foods that research suggests may help their eyes repair themselves while they sleep. Imagine waking up and actually seeing clearer, with less pain and fewer worries about losing driving privileges or independence. That nagging fear of stepping outside at night and not recognizing faces or seeing curbs isn't just frustrating. It can put your safety and freedom at risk. In one study from Harvard, vision loss was named as one of the main reasons seniors lose independence. Does any of this hit close to home for you? Have you noticed your night vision getting worse? Or do you struggle with dry, irritated eyes in the morning? Let's be honest, if you're over 50, it often feels like the world expects you to accept fading eyesight as just another part of getting older. But why does it have to be this way? Have you ever wondered if there's another way? Something beyond stronger prescriptions and expensive drops? A few years ago, my own neighbor, Bob, started to get nervous about driving after dusk. His granddaughter's face would blur during bedtime stories, making him feel like he was missing out on the small joys of life. But then Bob made one simple change to his nightly routine, something he found right in his refrigerator. In just 2 months, he noticed real improvements. What if you could be the next Bob? In this video, I'm breaking down the top 8 foods you can eat before bed, ranked from least to most powerful, that research suggests may support natural vision repair overnight. The number 1 food is linked to a study showing a 53% reduction in age-related vision loss over a decade. Intrigued? Before we go deeper, ask yourself, what is the most frustrating vision symptom you're dealing with right now? And what are you eating before bed? I want you to think about this as we dig into each food, and don't forget to drop your answer in the comments, because I reply with personalized tips every week. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Let's start with number 8, sweet potatoes. Most people overlook this orange root, but it hides a unique form of beta-carotene that your body converts into vitamin A, crucial for low-light vision and eye surface health. Eating a medium sweet potato about 90 minutes before bed sets off a chain reaction. 2 hours later, your liver sends those beta-carotene molecules rushing to your retina, where they help regenerate rhodopsin, the protein enabling you to see clearly at night. In one study from the University of Wisconsin, seniors who ate sweet potatoes just 4 times per week experienced better contrast sensitivity and fewer night blindness symptoms. But timing and preparation matter. Bake or steam with the skin on at 375 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes, and add a teaspoon of coconut oil or grass-fed butter for maximum absorption. Never microwave it. Cornell research shows that destroys up to 60% of the beneficial nutrients. The next time you notice yourself squinting at headlights, ask yourself, did your last dinner give your eyes what they need? Next, wild-caught salmon at number 7. If your eyes feel dry, gritty, or just tired after a long day, this may become your secret weapon. Salmon is rich in omega-3s, especially DHA, a fatty acid that forms more than half the structural fat in your retina. When you sleep, your body uses fresh DHA to replace worn-out photoreceptors, especially during deep rest. Astaxanthin, the pigment giving salmon its pink color, is a powerful defender against blue light damage from screen use to harsh headlights. In one 2-year study, seniors who ate wild-caught salmon before bed noticed significant improvements in tear production and dry eye symptoms, with a striking risk reduction for advanced macular degeneration. But remember, quality matters. Wild-caught Alaskan salmon contains much more astaxanthin and omega-3s than farmed fish. Consume a 4-ounce piece, seasoned with turmeric and black pepper, to turbocharge anti-inflammatory effects. About 2 hours before bed, pair with a little quinoa or brown rice to stabilize blood sugar throughout the night. Have you ever noticed that some dinners leave your eyes feeling dry, while others leave them refreshed? On to number 6. Goji berries. For over 2,000 years, people across Asia have credited goji berries with sharper vision. But modern science finally explains why. These pretty red berries are bursting with zeaxanthin, a supercarotenoid that accumulates in your macula as you rest, acting like built-in sunscreen for the eyes. In one clinical study, seniors who dined on goji in the evening enhanced their macular pigment density, protecting against blue light, a key culprit in age-related vision loss. Eat an ounce of organic gojis, preferably soaked in warm water or mixed into plain Greek yogurt, 90 minutes before bed. The soaking or yogurt helps your body access their famous antioxidants. And here's a tip: never combine goji with green tea or coffee before bed. The tannins actually block absorption. If you're on blood thinners or diabetes medication, start with half an ounce and watch for any changes. I sometimes think of goji berries like nighttime armor for the eyes. Simple, natural, but highly effective. Now to number 5. Organic egg yolks. Don't be afraid of their cholesterol. Egg yolks are nature's most absorbable source of lutein and zeaxanthin, vital for filtering out damaging blue and ultraviolet light. 2 soft scrambled organic yolks from pasture-raised chickens, low-cooked and stirred in a little grass-fed butter, provide a fast track of protective nutrients to your macula while you sleep. In a Tufts University study, seniors who ate egg yolks before bed saw better contrast, sensitivity, and felt less glare. Imagine finally being able to read that street sign at night without confusion. The secret lies in soft scrambling at low heat and choosing real pasture-raised eggs, packed with higher levels of eye-supporting compounds. Did you know that simply changing how long you cook your eggs could change what your eyes get from them? Moving up. Number 4. Bilberries. Remember the story about World War II pilots and night vision? These small, dark berries were their go-to. Bilberries brim with anthocyanosides, powerful antioxidants shown to speed up the repair of sensitive rod cells. Modern research reveals that seniors taking bilberry extract before bed had major reductions in macular degeneration, progression, and eye fatigue, with some even regaining the ability to read without glasses. Eat a small handful of fresh or thawed organic bilberries, or a properly standardized extract capsule, 2 hours before bed. If using fresh, crushing or lightly mashing them releases more antioxidants. Combine with plain yogurt to boost absorption, never with citrus fruits or vitamin C supplements, because they can break down the most important flavonoids. It's a simple swap that can transform your night vision over time. When was the last time your bedtime snack actually improved something other than your waistline? Moving along to number 3. Black currants. These overlooked berries might just be the missing piece for your tired, strained eyes. Black currants are loaded with vitamin C and GLA, a rare plant-sourced omega-6 fat that's famous for supporting the blood vessels and collagen in your eyes. In a long-term study out of King's College London, seniors consuming black currants before bed saw meaningful improvements in both visual acuity and intraocular pressure. A game changer for anyone worried about glaucoma or thinning eyesight. Try eating half a cup of fresh black currants or 2 tablespoons of black currant seed oil in full-fat cottage cheese about 90 minutes before you sleep. Crushing the seeds before eating makes more of the good stuff available for overnight repair. A tip: avoid taking iron supplements or red meat at the same time, which can blunt the positive effects. Ever think something as small as a berry could have such a big impact on your independence as you age? Now we're at number 2, saffron. This golden spice may be pricey, but just a pinch delivers potent eye-nourishing compounds. Saffron contains crocin and quercetin, both shown to trigger actual repair in damaged photoreceptors, the very cells at risk as we age. In an Italian study, seniors with age-related vision changes who took saffron before bedtime not only stopped further decline but actually reversed some damage, seeing up to 2 lines better on traditional eye charts. To try this at home, steep 15 to 20 threads of high-quality saffron in 4 ounces of warm whole milk or unsweetened almond milk, sweetened with a little raw honey and a pinch of cardamom. Drink about an hour before lying down, never using boiling water, which destroys the active compounds. For people who think they've tried everything, saffron could be worth the investment. Now for the most powerful food on the list. Number 1. Raw cacao. Not your regular hot cocoa. Raw cacao is the unprocessed bean, abundant in epicatechin, a flavonol. Harvard researchers found increases blood flow to the retina while you sleep. In one clinical trial, seniors drinking a raw cacao blend before bed saw sharper, faster vision processing and, remarkably, reversed some of the vision loss linked to conditions like diabetic retinopathy. Prepare your own vision-boosting drink. 45 minutes before bed by mixing 2 tablespoons of raw cacao powder in 6 ounces of warm, not hot cashew milk. With Ceylon cinnamon and a dash of cayenne pepper, add a teaspoon of coconut or MCT oil for sustained absorption throughout the night. But don't eat protein close to this drink. Studies note it can interfere with how much you absorb. Never use Dutch processed cocoa or typical baking cocoa. These have lost the very nutrients your eyes need most. Picture waking up feeling as though someone's cleaned the window between you and the world. A bit dramatic, maybe. But that's the sort of feedback raw cacao fans often give. Each of these foods shows its greatest effects when eaten consistently, properly prepared, and timed correctly for bedtime. The magic is not in a single miracle food, but in how these ingredients work together to support the natural, nightly repair that happens in your body. If you want to begin tonight, try adding raw cacao, saffron, or black currants to your bedtime snack routine. People often report sharper vision, less glare, and even better, morning moods after just 2 or 3 weeks. Throughout this countdown, you might have noticed a pattern. The hardest part isn't finding these foods. It's sticking to the routine and ignoring the myth that nothing helps. Vision after 50. I understand that motivation can fade, or doubts can creep in after years of slow decline. But as I've seen with many clients and even my own family, small, consistent choices made at the right time can change everything. If you've ever stood in your kitchen late at night, frustrated because your eyes just won't work the way they used to, remember it's not over. Your body wants to heal, especially when you give it the right building blocks while you sleep. Try just 1 or 2 of these foods in your bedtime rotation for the next month. Pay attention to how your eyes feel in the morning, how streetlights look, or if you can finish a book without strain. Share your experiences in the comments. I love to hear about what works and what doesn't. And your feedback helps others on this journey too. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on living a healthy and vibrant life after 50. And check out the next video on simple steps to reverse insulin resistance as you age. If you've ever felt tired, struggled with eye strain, or worried about blurry nights, this channel is dedicated to practical, science-backed solutions for you.